My name is Elizabeth Record. I'm an Engagement and Projects Officer. I work for the Office of the Police and Crime Commissioner for Devon, Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly. I took part in the Certified Project Management Diploma with the Institute of Project Management, which I took out last year. As an Engagement and Projects Officer, delivering on projects such as public relations campaigns and interior redesigns, I needed to learn the tools from the bottom up to be able to implement those into delivering good projects. And the Institute of Project Management offered this course which covered all aspects of project management, which is what I really needed. I work full-time in my role. It's a busy role, and with many people, life outside of work is also busy. I'm a single mum, so I was a little bit concerned about how I was going to be able to fit this course in as well. I chose for the Thursday evening. It was 3 hours on a Thursday evening for the online lecture, learning from lecturers that were obviously the best in the field at project management. You really did feel like they knew what they were talking about, and it worked really well actually. I would take part in the lecture, and then I would watch the video back over the weekend just to capture any bits that I'd perhaps missed out on. So in terms of impact in my normal week, it was completely doable. The lectures were interesting and varied. The lecturers were really engaging. Moodle worked brilliant as an app to be able to use. The book that I had with all of the slides from all of the lectures was super easy. It really helped with the revision. So everything technology, there was fantastic IT support throughout. So it felt like it was a quality course. The course really taught me about the importance of stakeholder buy-in from the start, to get that stakeholder buy-in to deliver a successful project, and how to communicate those lines continue throughout the project. So I found that really beneficial. Also looking at the risk, so for anything I do now, even if it's just arranging events, it's looking at that risk and just yeah, I think that's what project management does. It sort of captures everything from the start to the finish, things that you just would not have considered before. So it has taught me a great deal. Overall, I would wholeheartedly recommend the Institute of Project Management to do your project management qualification in. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all.